Welcome to the Young Scientist Club, kit number 5. We're learning about the 3 bases of matter. We got fizzy tablets, a plastic bag, a small funnel, a small balloon, some raisins, glass bottles with a skinny neck, a glass cup, some vinegar, some seltzer water, a cup, a bowl, and some baking soda, and a spoon.
Now, as Millie said, we'll be learning about the 3 phases of matter, which are solids, liquids, and gases. So to demonstrate some of these phases of matter, we're going to do some experiments. And one of them is putting raisins in a glass with some seltzer water.
Can I put the raisins in there?
Yeah, you sure can. Now what do you think is going to happen when we put the seltzer water in with the raisins? Go ahead and put the raisins in, honey. What do you think is going to happen, Kiana? You think nothing's going to happen?
They're going to get soft.
You think they'll get soft?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, what do you think's going to happen, Millie?
I think whenever we put that and the raisins in, I think they're going to be floating.
You think they're going to float?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well let's see what happens. Alright, in goes the raisins.
But one won't go in there.
Got it?
It sounds like whenever you open it. Now the seltzer one.
It's fizzy.
I hope it doesn't explode.
Let's try not to, huh? Ooh.
I think we shook it.
There it goes. Alright.
They're floating.
Oh, look at that. They rise to the top and then they fall back down. Why are they doing that?
I don't know.
Well, raisins sink to the bottom because of their weight. And so they sink to the bottom. But because that seltzer water and it's carbonated, it has a lot of air bubbles in there. And air bubbles want to float to the top and rise.
And it's sticking to the raisins, so they go up.
Exactly, and
But
that's
then they
why.
go down once they get to the top and clean
Right.
them off.
Yeah, that's what happens. The air bubbles come to the top, and then they pop. And then they don't got no more flotation, and so they fall to the bottom. And they'll continue to do that until all the air bubbles run out of the seltzer water. That's pretty neat, huh?
Mm-hmm. It is still it's bubbling on the top.
Okay, are you guys ready for the fun one?
Yes.
Alright, so
But
this one
can
we
I
need
get
that
the balloon
bottle.
now?
Yeah, we'll need the bottle, we'll need the balloon, funnel, and
We got a yellow balloon. What's wrong, doggies? I'm blowing the bubble. Don't put it in your mouth.
let's see, so
We
we
don't ever
need
touch that. Don't put it on your mouth either. You don't know who's touched that to put that in there. I think whenever we put stuff inside the bottle, and then whenever we put stuff
tablespoon baking
and
soda.
then whenever we put the balloon on really fast, then the balloon will start blowing up.
Think the balloon will air up?
Yeah.
Why will it air up?
Well, because
What's filling it? What do you think would fill the balloon and make it air up?
I don't know.
Well, do you think it would... Well, we're learning about solids, liquids, and gases, right?
It's the gas.
It's the gas.
The gas.
Yeah, it's the off gas of vinegar and baking soda coming together.
Oh, that smells horrible.
Seltzer water?
Yeah.
Alright.
Some people drink that.
Now for the vinegar part, which is half a cup.
Half a cup. Now, Daddy has to do this.
Now, do we have our balloon out and ready?
Yes.
This is
Stretch
going
it.
to have to happen very quickly.
Because because the balloon will get.
So how about this? This happens quickly. I'll take the balloon. You pour in the vinegar. Okay?
Real fast.
Ooh.
Oh gosh.
Ooh.
Oh gosh. We should have held that.
That didn't stay on very well, did
I don't even know where that went.
it? Now, why did that happen? Is it because of a chemical reaction? Will you go get a towel, honey?
We didn't even use all of it. Oh my god. My forehead is wet. Oh, it's so yuck.
So why did our balloon rocket off like that? Is it because there's a big buildup of gas and pressure that filled the balloon?
Yes, it smells horrible now.
Yeah, that's vinegar.
I'm glad you weren't here for this.
So.
Get the paper. Kai, something exploded. Where did that balloon go?
Alright.
Oh, what if it landed in the trash? That'd be awesome.
No, it's somewhere over there. Okay, so
Well, we don't need it
let's
anymore.
see
So
what.
that exploded.
Yep, that exploded.
Kai,
Alright, so on
Kai,
to experiment number 3. This one's more up our speed. Alright, right here. So let's pour this out
Yes.
into there.
Raisins
Now in this
exploded.
one, we're going to put fizzy tablets into a glass of water.
All three of us are on the same chair. Oh my gosh.
So,
That's
whoop,
not gonna
there's
work.
still raisins in there.
It's not gonna
There
work.
we go.
And it's falling off. Oh, my water.
Whoop. Oh, much water there.
Can I put
Alright.
one of the fizzy tabs in there?
Yeah.
What's it? Aw.
Well, here, let's let Kai. He hasn't done anything yet.
Do we have to put one?
Well, how many are there?
Four.
4. We'll just pour
Four.
all of them in there one at a time.
Okay. Daddy gets to do one, Kai gets to do one, and I get to do one, and Kai gets to do one. That'll work out. No! I can't get this. Mommy. Okay, this one. Yeah. I can't get this either.
Hold on.
I gotta sit on. Everywhere is soaked now. Right there.
Alright, go ahead and put your tab in, Kiki.
It's on yellow. Mine is 2.
Yeah. So what's being released into the water? Why is it fizzing like that? Here you go, son. Well, is it gas coming out of there?
Mine yes.
Yeah, it is. It's the gas bubbles escaping from the tablet. The tablet is made up of citric acid and baking soda.
Here,
That's
watch
where
out,
it's
Kai.
getting it. That's where the colors coming in. Is the citric acid,
That's what it's
and the
what
baking
it is.
soda is what's making it fizzy.
Here, sit on Sissy's lap.
All right. So now we've done all those things. Kiana, will you go pour this out in the sink?
It smells so bad now.
Yeah, vinegar's strong, huh? Now, in experiment 4, we are going to be messing with cornstarch. Oh, can you grab the cornstarch in there?
Yep.
And we're going to put a little bit of water and cornstarch together.
That's not the cornstarch.
You okay?
I got it.
You got it?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Here, sit down.
No.
Yeah.
What's it? Hey.
Yeah.
What
So,
is it? It's
so,
vinegar.
what have we been learning about so far, Millie?
We've been learning about the gas.
Yeah, we've been learning a lot about gases, huh? Yeah, most of these experiments kind of deal with that.
Yeah.
But that's how you can see reactions really fast, is with gases most of the time. Yeah, we've learned that baking soda and vinegar mixed together can really make, a lot of gas really fast.
Yep.
Alright, so now we've got our cornstarch in a bowl, and it wants us to put 2 tablespoons of starch in there. Just, 2 tablespoons of starch.
1, 2.
2. And now we're going to put it in 1 tablespoon water.
Water. 1. Do we get to touch that?
Yes, now
Are we making?
just put your hands in it and start messing around with it.
Here we have.
And tell me if it's a solid or a liquid.
It feels solid. It's solid. It's solid. Oh, but then it gets liquidy if you don't mess with
Here,
it.
let me see.
I think that needs more water.
There.
It's a liquid.
It's liquidy.
It's liquidy, but when you're not messing with it, it's solid.
So if there's not enough water, it stays a solid. If there's too much water, it's a liquid. So what happens if we kind of
Oh,
add a little bit more cornstarch? Can we make it where it feels like a liquid and a solid? Do you think we could do that?
Yes, it feels like a liquid and a solid.
Yeah, it's okay. You can put your hand in there.
Even though we have big fingers, guys, you can.
Is it still liquidy?
Yeah. No. It's well, that's not play with it. Yeah. You got it over Daddy's finger. I know. I think we had done that was the point. I know, Mommy. It was in my sign. Yeah, before we had this stuff. See? And as
It's a
you
liquid,
play with it,
but then as you squeeze it and you squeeze the water out of it, you make it a solid again, huh? See? How you making it a solid?
I've done this before in my science book that you guys got me.
Yeah.
It was fun.
So what do you guys think of the Young Scientist Club kit number 5?
I love it.
Yeah, you guys have fun with it?
Daddy, look at my hand.
Yeah, look at that. You got cornstarch all over you. Alright, well, I think we're going to sign off and start cleaning up some of our fun experiment time that we had today, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, until next time.
Bye.